Hi my beautiful people, how are we doing today? Hope we are good. So guys, let's quickly do this simple turban. You can see how I hold it. So when you divided it like this, you can see that it's not equal. Then you take the long one, you cross like this, then you bring it out like the way I'm doing it. So you bring it out from the other side again, you cross it, and you can see that I'm adjusting it so that the short hand I can use it to tie it after finishing this thing. So I can use to tie it at the back. So this is how we're going to do it to the hand. When you bring it, then you cross it and bring it out again. To those that always help me to share my video, thank you so much. Please and please, if today is your first time seeing my video, please support me by sharing my video, by liking, comment. So please, I'm begging you guys, please and please, please and please, I'm begging you. So you can see that we're almost done. So this is very simple to grab. You can use any fabric. If you want to use Ankara, if you have the long one, so you can do it. So I'm trying to adjust it, then bring it again. So this is the last one. This is the last one. So if you do it like this, you can use it to do any style. After I do it like this, you can use it to do any style. So those that always use a wig, yes. So they always use wig. So after this, guys, we're going to place it on our head. You can see it. So this is how we do it. Then we do what? We tie it at the back. So I'm just trying to check if it's okay. So guys, at this point we're going to tie it at the back. That's what I'm trying to do. We tie the back. Now we are done. So guys, please help me to share this video. I'm begging you guys, please help me to share my video. So this is the end of the style. How did you see it? Did you love it? Please guys, drop your comment at the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.